Hello guys, welcome back to Webbing. My name is Jackson. Today I'm pulling up a video from TrendSpot, and today we're gonna watch this, destroying vending machines for free food. Let's watch and see what happens.
Spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to TrendSpot. Today we're looking at people trying to get free food from vending machines. This guy buys some snacks at a vending machine, but the bag gets stuck and doesn't drop down. So this guy decides to start kicking this vending machine, and something really surprising ends up happening, but I won't spoil it. Let's roll the clip.
Come on, man, try again. Try again, man. One more time. Come on, what happened?
This one here. Stole my candy.
Come on, take it. Get it.
So the guy just keeps kicking it. I don't know what's gonna happen. I haven't watched, but let's watch.
Come on, man.
So this man saw this guy about to break the vending machine, and he gave him some money to buy more food. What a cool guy, but something really funny is about to happen.
20 cents? So I think 20.
He's already lost like $4, so is it going to work this time?
It's gonna work now.
Kick it too many times. Ah, come on. Give me the second one.
You got it, man.
Double.
Oh, see ya.
These people get tons of free chips from a vending machine by shaking the machine. This actually works surprisingly well, so they get tons of free snacks. Definitely don't do this, but I'm even more excited to show you this clip later in the video where this guy kicks straight through a vending machine and shatters the glass, so stick around for that.
So that guy just did that. That was really unshocking. Last time I watched the video, but I didn't this time. I'm gonna have to stop watching it. But I'm gonna rename. I might put the same name. I might not. As the YouTube
Like an alarm or something?
video.
Yeah.
Tony, tilt it. Tony, tilt it. Tilt it. Tilt it. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. Keep this so badly.
This might as well be the holy grail of vending machines right here.
Let's do it. Come on, come on. Oh! It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna fall. Come on.
Wait.
There. Oh, dude, it's amazing. Yeah!
Go chips? Dude, it's not even opening.
Yeah, because there's so much.
It's not even opening.
Whoops, sorry guys.
Definitely don't do this because the vending machine won't be able to be
Chips? Dude, it's not even opening.
Yeah, because there's so much.
It's not even opening.
It's too much crap.
These people are getting so many chips, but definitely don't do this because the vending machine won't be able to be restocked.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? No way! No way!
You get a chip. You get a chip. Everyone gets a chip.
This person uses a trick to get 2 drinks out of a vending machine. He has a really smart trick to do this, and he could pretty much get infinite drinks with this trick if he wanted to. Definitely don't do this because they'll just stop selling drinks, but anyways, let's get into the clip.
Put your money in. And you're going to need this type of machine that has the little cart thing. I'm going to show you in a second. Put your money in. Alright. What you're going to do is you're going to order a drink. I'm going to order B5. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the door. And the thing is going to come up. Oh, I didn't do it. Alright. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the door. While it does that, and it's not gonna go through. So it's gonna try.
You've got the gaming chair, the gaming membership, the gaming headset. Now all you need is the gaming battery. Upgrade your Xbox controller with Duracell Optimum.
Let's go try again. And then, what's it gonna do? It's gonna keep trying, and it's gonna stop. It's gonna give you your money back.
Not gonna lie, that's pretty smart, but obviously I'm not recommending this either.
And you still have no product. So you're gonna do. Get all of it. Now, hold on. Alright, I put 150 in. Now you're gonna order a different one. I'm gonna order something else. I don't know, just a random drink. Now, you're gonna stop the door again. And it's gonna give you the drinks.
This guy has a $1 bill with a piece of tape attached. When he puts it in the vending machine, the machine thinks it got $1, but he slips the bill right back out. But right after this clip, I'm gonna show you this clip where this guy breaks through the glass on a vending machine. It is crazy. So as you can see, he can easily get free snacks with this, and he could literally get as many snacks as he wanted. But still, don't do this. This guy buys a bag of chips from a vending machine, and it gets stuck. He tries to get it to drop down by kicking the vending machine, but he ends up kicking straight through and shattering the glass. So it looks like he got a lot of free food here, but let's get into the clip.
Okay, Angus is gonna knock down these chips using a flying jump tap. Those freaking chips. Alright, Angus, go! 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 Oh! Are they down? Let me see it.
No, it's coming out, it's coming out.
It's coming out! It's coming out!
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's
A couple more kicks should do it. Wait.
That was crazy, but
Oh.
watch how this guy gets some free M&Ms from a vending machine with a really interesting trick. He puts in a wrinkled dollar bill that the vending machine won't accept, and he quickly types what he wants before it rejects the money. This works super easily, so hopefully he doesn't just buy everything with this trick, but let's get into the clip.
My trick was I wrinkled it a little bit, and then I typed it over super fast and I swiped it back. When it came back, I swiped it. See if I can do it. Yes.
So that was actually an easy trick. I don't think you should be trying this, but like I don't think it's against the law to try it, but you should try it. I'm gonna tell my mom and everybody. You know that sounds so funny.
This guy uses a secret code to get free food out of a vending machine. I don't know how he knows this code, but watch what he does. I can't believe this worked.
I have $1 here, and I want C3 Chex Mix. So it's one of the healthiest things in here. Like, look at all this stuff. Oops, I put this on the healthy guy. So insert $1 bill face up. Come on. Oops, as shown. So $1 stop right here. Okay. And so no face up. I don't have this out. Okay, so I've inserted $1, and that is C3. So there's already $1 credit. Nothing down here. So really quick, let's punch in the code star star pound star pound star pound star pound, and then we're going to hit C3. And then I got that, but look, there's no change machine, and so, and then you just want to hit this coin return button right here. Bingo, and you get $1 back from the coin return slot.
So he just bought something, but also got his money back. This could possibly be fake, but we may never know. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and tap.
If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and make sure to give a good like on all of our videos and make sure to do a big thumbs up. And this was from Trending Spots or something. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.